Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best hair growth oil you can ever come across using papaya seed. Make sure you watch this video to the end as the instruction will be stated towards the end. So if you're interested, let's get into it. So this recipe is very simple. So the first thing is make sure your papaya is ripe. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the papaya into half. And the other half, best believe I'm going to devour it later on. Yes, it's going to go in my tummy. Then I'm going to scoop out the seed of the papaya into the bowl. Once I'm done scooping out the papaya seed into the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and take off the skin of the papaya. Now I'm going to go ahead and just cut the papaya into smaller chunks. So guys, I couldn't resist this papaya. Oh my god, it's been long since I had papaya. Okay, so I had couple I couldn't resist. As you can see in the video, some was literally disappearing. Yes, they were going right into my mouth. It was yummy. This papaya, it's very expensive. Okay, I purchased this one for £7, which is equivalent to around $8 to $9 in America, which for me anyway, it's expensive to buy this tiny papaya for £7 to $9. It's a little bit expensive. I think the reason being is because it's exported to UK, and also it was very difficult for me to find. I went to 4 different stores just to get this papaya, and yes, so this video is a special one because I drove around my city looking for papaya. Okay, so yeah, this papaya was so yummy. It was delicious. It was just ripe and juicy. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more papaya seed into the bowl. As we all know, the seed is very beneficial for our hair. So I'm going to add more papaya seed into the bowl so that I can blend them all together. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to add the papaya and the papaya seed into the blender. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and also make sure that the papaya seed are nice and crushed. This is what it looks like after blending. A lovely smooth consistency. So this is how you want it to look like. Make sure the papaya seed are crushed and well blended. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a pan. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of olive oil to the pan. You can add any oil of your choice, such as coconut oil, almond oil, rosemary oil, avocado oil. Just add any oil that your hair loves. Make sure the stove is on a low setting because we don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the blended papaya to the oil. Make sure you stir occasionally because we don't want the papaya to burn. So I'm going to quickly explain the benefit of papaya for our hair. So papaya is very beneficial for our hair as well as our health in general. So for this video, we're going to be focusing on the benefits of papaya on our hair. Papaya contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Papaya can also help to prevent baldness and promote hair growth. It controls dandruff. One of the primary causes of dandruff is fungal infection. It conditions the hair. It also stimulates collagen productions, which result to hair growth. It makes our hair shine. It also darkens the hair. So if you have gray hair, papaya will be perfect for you as it will darken the gray hair. Papaya seeds also contain folic acid, which is able to improve hair follicles, circulation, and stimulate hair growth. This is what it looks like after 3 minutes. So it looks like the papaya is still wet, so I'm going to allow it to cook for longer until the papaya is dried up. After 10 minutes, this is how the papaya looks. I'm going to allow it to cool down for 1 hour. After 1 hour of cooling down, this is how it looks. Now I'm just going to go ahead and strain it. I'm going to put my wig cap on top of the strainer because I don't want any particles in my oil. So basically what I'm doing now is just taking the spoon and pressing down as much of the oil as I can get it to go through the strainer. Guys, let me tell you, this papaya oil, the color is everything. Oh my goodness, the color is beautiful. To be fair with you guys, I don't think the camera is doing any justice to this oil. The color is beautiful. It's stunning, gorgeous. Now I'm going to transfer the oil to my application bottle. So guys, if you're still watching and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash the subscription button. In this channel, I do DIY videos that helps you to grow your hair. I have different videos on my channel that will benefit everyone. I have video for those who are struggling with stubborn hair growth, thinning hair, dandruffs, alopecia, or are you just looking for a fuller, faster, thicker hair growth, or just a more natural hair growth using natural ingredients? Well, this channel is for you. And also please don't forget to put on your post notification so you don't miss my future upload. So this oil helps with hair thickening and darken the hair over time. So if you want your hair to be full and thicker, papaya seed oil is your best friend. I usually use this oil as a scalp massage, okay? You can also use it as a pre-poo hot treatment. You can add it to your deep condition, or you can also add it to your shampoo as well. Do you guys know what? I don't think you guys can see the color from this bottle, so I'm going to transfer the oil into a see-through application bottle so you guys can see how amazing this papaya oil looks like. The color is just amazing.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for...
So guys, I have transferred it to a more see-through bottle. This is how it's looking. It's amazing. The color, it's so vibrant, it's gorgeous. If you guys are familiar with papaya, they tend to have this not so pleasant smell, but this one, it's very... the smell is not that bad. It's not that bad at all. It's actually smelling quite good. This is beautiful. I really love the oil. So you can add essential oil to your papaya oil if you wish. As for me, I won't be adding any. Don't forget to add the oil to your scalp as well as your edges and massage, as this promotes hair growth. You can store this papaya oil in a cold place. So guys, that's the end of the video. In the next upcoming video, I don't know when I'm going to drop that one yet. I'm going to show you guys how to apply the papaya oil to your scalp. So guys, if you have any question in regards to any of my video on my channel, please do drop me a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. And again, thank you again for watching. Bye.